All right, guys. 9:37. Sorry, I'm dirty. It's rough. Long day. CF Moto Z, the Boost Force. We're back. It's alive. Half plastics are back on. Sorry, I'm recording the other way with the wrong camera. Everything is all back on. I got connect vacuum line for our blow off. But as far as all the plumbing and everything for the turbo is all back on there. Shift linkages, tranny's full of fluid, oil's full of fluid, coolant's not burped out. We still need to pull the radiator out. So maybe I'll do some GoPro on that tomorrow. I do need to get a clutch bearing. I should order one, but this one has seized up since it's been sitting. Got some play in it, so we're just gonna get a new one in there. The lady's probably gonna be driving the Boost Force now. I mean, we'll probably be taking it as trips as well, but so I guess I'll show you. I put a video on Facebook, but it does run. A little loud on startup yet. Can't rev it with the boost hooked up. I do not have the wastegate hooked up, so. And I just want to take apart the wastegate actually and make sure there's no mud or crud in there, and if there is, clean it out. Shouldn't be, but if there is, we'll make sure. When you're boosting something and you're dealing with performance, you take that extra little bit of steps to make sure you're all good. So, kind of mess in the shop. It's got good oil pressure. Everything seems to be going good. So, clutches we've already cleaned, but the primary bearing, it's causing some problems. So let's just go ahead and replace that. We don't want no problems. She gets beat on, we drive it. So, but it's back together. It's on its wheels. It looks like a side-by-side again. YXZ will be next. Got our gears today for that, actually, by the way. Got all the gears. Got some new plugs for it. Grabbed an oil filter. So, we got plenty of stuff to do. Tomorrow's going to be a power washing day for sure. We have to go ahead and put a lower unit seal in an old boat engine tomorrow. And I got to fix the carburetor on this Yamaha here. So I'd show you the stuff outside, but oh, long day. I'm tired. I'll be honest. Woke up at 4 something this day. Normal day for me. There was no half day. There was no easy day. But got all the parts for the Yamaha, so that's cool. Expensive gears. If you want to play, remember, you're going to pay. So, but hey, guess that's that. You guys have a good rest of your night. If you're watching this, thank you. We appreciate. If you like, you guys subscribing, like, follow, hit the YouTube, hit the Facebook, and as always, God bless America. Peace out.